Pleasant morning to everyone. Good morning. Just woke up and it's around as early as 10 a.m. but I'm still asleep because I went to bed late. Got up late last night, then washed the dishes. Yeah. Anyway, uni right now, so see you in a bit. Okay, just saw confirmation that my parcel has been sent. Yep. So that's the nth mask that we received. Yeah, and we've just received a lot of masks, and we're trying to get the best one right now. Oops. Really fell, mate. It's kind of cold outside. Ooh. It's been a while. I was on a skateboard, so it's like a bit awkward for me earlier. Anyway, let's check this out. Apologize for today, guys. Not that much happening today. I was just at home, did some schoolwork and everything else, so can't show you anything. Didn't even finish my scripts and everything. Nothing's gonna happen today, and nothing has happened today. And yeah, I'm just gonna cook chorizo and egg. So I'm having breakfast around 9 p.m. Yeah, that's for waking up late. Anyway, you guys take care. Just see you tomorrow, because nothing's gonna happen today. I'm pretty sure of that. I'm heading out of the house right now, and I forgot my microphone, so this is just gonna be weird. I'm putting a new rig on my camera. It's kind of jiggly. I know this is not gonna work, but I'll just see how this goes. I'm gonna hit the back. Anyway, today's a Friday finally, and yeah, finally it's the weekend. But either way, I'm not working. I'm studying, so it doesn't matter. I'm heading to the shops right now. I'm gonna try to get some expectorant and everything else. So you guys stay safe wherever you are. My camera is literally jiggling. This is not gonna work, but I'll see how this goes. Just gonna try to check the mailbox first and park this car for a moment. Here it is. Good parking. Okay, be back. Okay, let's get to the shops. I know this is just gonna be jiggling around, so need to replace that rig that I have. Should have a GoPro type rig for my camera, and yeah, I'll show you what it looks like. How do you do that? So it looks like that. So when I run, it's jiggling around. Yeah. So yeah, that's how it is. Anyway, I'm gonna head to the shops right now and just use the rest of the time I'm shooting on this camera here up to the shops. Okay, so where do we go first? We're gonna go to the pharmacy. Yeah, we're gonna go first to the pharmacy. I'm gonna head this side here. I can't flip the camera to the other side. But yeah, I'm putting my mask ahead because I just want to have the mask ahead. I don't know. Then we go to Woolies, look for some stuffs. Yep, that's what we're gonna do. Oh, sorry about that. It's a big hump here. Let's see how this camera works. Let's have stabilization. What the fuck? Okay. Okay, I'm gonna stop filming now. So there's not much vlog for today. I'm gonna be leaving this camera in the car, and yeah, I don't want to vlog today. It's not into it. Oh yeah, bad weather. Fuck, I can't see anything, man. freaking bad weather today. Good day, guys. So nothing's new except that the weather's really good. I can show it to you, but it's gonna go blown out. So yeah, weather's good today. Everything's nice except hold on. Except there's this chainsaw that's so noisy outside, like it's creating that sound. So I know it's kind of annoying. But either way, it's still a good day. Love it. Love the weather. It's not hot. It's not cold. Perfect. If it's a bit warmer, it'll be cool also. But yeah, that chainsaw just messing up things. So no real vlog for today. I'm just gonna do some schoolwork and everything else, and I hope you guys are doing fine out there, and just me thinking of what to do first. I have a lot of things to do. I need to do the laundry again. Oh man. And eat, because it's around 4 p.m. I haven't eaten anything. Let's do this. Hello guys, we just streamed with Sean and Carla earlier, and it was a fun stream, but the thing is, yeah, I'm not really happy with what my stream was, because I had a lot of technical difficulties. I was working on it the whole week, but my photo just lagged, my video just lagged, so it was really bad. It was crappy. But either way, let's just finish today. Today's a Sunday, tomorrow's gonna be Monday. It's gonna be hustle again for me, and I have a lot of things to finish. Also, I need to upload some photos about Mount Apple, because we climbed it years back. This was the time I dedicated it to my dad. My dad's birthday is coming in a few days, and yeah, I want to honor him because he was one of my heroes. Either way, yeah, weather's really good. Not really good. It's really bright up here, but I can see some clouds there. It's kind of rainy. It's kind of cold, but it's bright. I call it good. I don't know, it's just me maybe. Either way, I'm gonna prepare some dinner today, and yeah, not really dinner, it's our first meal of the day. It's around 4 p.m. and haven't had breakfast. Went to bed late, watched Marvel's Agents of S.H.I.E.L.D. And yeah, I just want to say it's been a rough few days, but still holding on. I hope you guys are still holding on. And for today, I was just planning to do a video, but I'm running out of time. I'm planning to do a video regarding my build. I'm gonna build something downstairs, but I'm looking at time. It's 4 p.m. and I have a lot of things to do for the weekend. I spent the whole day sleeping, so I need to do other things. I'm just gonna postpone it again. Postpone the build. I was supposed to build my skateboard and do that Filipino toys thing, but we're gonna postpone it for a few days. I think I might launch everything by September. I'm just gonna hold on to all the ideas, because it's really hectic this time of the year. And yeah, so yeah, that's it. So let's see how this goes. I'm just gonna go ahead and cook, and I'm gonna film it now because it's gonna suck. Either way, I'm back vlogging again on the RX 100, trying to get used to it. I love the A6600, but I need to use my gears. Anyway, that's it for it, guys. I'll see you later. Just like that, we're done with our brunch, including dinner. We had nachos, we had sour cream, we had what else? Ground pork, and some taco thingies on the ground pork. We had some salsa. It's the made salsa. It's not, yeah. And I put in some avocado dips also. So that's awesome. I'm gonna take a break now because I'm so full. That's it. Okay, that's it for today, guys. You stay safe, and I don't know what's gonna happen tomorrow. Tomorrow's gonna be Monday. I'm gonna be busy, so like, yeah. Ciao.